Welcome to English Waves. Learn English. Speak with confidence.
Hey friends, welcome back to English Waves, where learning English feels easy, natural, and confident. I'm Madison.
And I'm Sam. We're so happy to have you with us today.
Today's episode is all about small talk. Small talk means short, friendly conversation that help you start talking to people at work, in a shop, at the gym, or anywhere in daily life.
Yes, Madison. Small talk is everywhere. And today, we will teach you 100 useful small talk starters that you can actually use in real life.
In this podcast, we speak slowly and clearly. We repeat important ideas so you can listen, understand, and practice easily.
Each phrase comes with a simple explanation, a real-life example, and time for you to repeat after us. So relax and let's get started.
So, first, let's understand one thing. What is small talk? Small talk means short, friendly conversation. It is not deep. It is not serious. It is simple and polite.
We use small talk every day, sometimes without even thinking. For example, lovely weather today, or how was your weekend?
We use small talk at work, at school, in the supermarket, at the gym, with neighbors, in lines, on buses or trains.
Small talk breaks the silence. It creates a friendly feeling. It shows interest in the other person. And the good news is, you don't need perfect grammar.
Yes, you don't need long sentences. You just need natural phrases. And now, let's begin with the easiest topic of all.
The weather is perfect for small talk because everyone experiences it. Now we'll share 10 natural weather phrases.
First one, lovely day, isn't it? We use this when the weather is nice. Repeat after me. Lovely day, isn't it?
Next one, it's really cold today. Use this in winter or early morning. Repeat, it's really cold today.
Next, looks like it might rain. You say this when the sky is cloudy. Repeat, looks like it might rain.
Here's another one. Can you believe this heat? This means it's very hot. Repeat, can you believe this heat?
Next phrase, it's been raining all week. This talks about past days. Repeat, it's been raining all week.
Another useful one, such strange weather lately. Repeat, such strange weather lately.
Now a happy one, finally some sunshine. Repeat, finally some sunshine.
Cold again? It's freezing out there. Repeat, it's freezing out there.
A hopeful one, feels like spring is coming. Repeat, feels like spring is coming.
And the last weather phrase, I didn't expect it to snow today. Repeat, I didn't expect it to snow today.
Now, let's talk about small talk at work. This helps build good relationships and makes work feel more comfortable.
Here are some simple workplace phrases. First one, busy day? Repeat, busy day?
Next, how is your project going? Repeat, how is your project going?
Another one, did you catch the meeting this morning? Repeat, did you catch the meeting this morning?
Feeling tired? I could use another coffee. Repeat, I could use another coffee.
Almost there. Almost the weekend, huh? Repeat, almost the weekend, huh?
Next, long day today. Repeat, long day today.
Here's another. The office is quiet today. Repeat, the office is quiet today.
Friendly question? Got any plans after work? Repeat, got any plans after work?
After meetings. That was a long meeting. Repeat, that was a long meeting.
And the last one for work, nice to see you in person. Repeat, nice to see you in person.
Great job. You're doing amazing.
This was part 1 of our small talk series. In the next part, we'll cover small talk in public places, with neighbors, and in social situations.
Stay with English Waves and keep practicing.
We're so happy you're still with us. If you are listening to part 2, that means you are serious about learning English, and we are proud of you.
In this part, we will talk about everyday English words. These are words you hear at home, with friends, on your phone, and on the internet.
These are not bookish words. These are real-life English words. So listen carefully and repeat with us. Let's start with a very common phrase. Guess what?
We use guess what when we want to share exciting news. For example, guess what? I got a new job.
You can use it when you're happy, excited, or surprised. Repeat after us. Guess what?
Here's another very useful phrase. By the way.
We use by the way to add new information or change the topic smoothly. For example, by the way, did you see my message?
It sounds very natural in conversations. Repeat, by the way.
Now let's talk about another common word, anyway.
We use anyway to bring the conversation back to the main topic. For example, anyway, let's move on.
You'll hear this word everywhere. Repeat, anyway.
Great job. Now, let's move to...
At home, we use very simple but important words.
First word, leftovers.
Leftovers means food that is left after a meal. For example, we're having leftovers for dinner.
This word is very common in families. Repeat, leftovers.
Next word, messy.
Messy means not clean or not organized. For example, my room is messy today.
Parents use this word a lot. Repeat, messy. Now an important word, fix.
Fix means to repair something or make it work again. For example, I need to fix the sink.
You can fix a phone, a door, a chair, or even a problem. Repeat, fix.
Excellent. Now let's move to something we all use every day.
Phones and the internet are part of our daily life, so let's learn some important words.
First words, log in and log out.
We log in when we enter an account. For example, please log in to your account. And we log out when we leave the account. Repeat, log in, log out.
Next word, scroll.
Scroll means moving your screen up or down. For example, I was scrolling through Instagram.
We scroll all the time without thinking. Repeat, scroll.
Now, two very important words, upload and download.
You download files from the internet to your phone or computer, and you upload files from your device to the internet.
For example, I downloaded the video. I uploaded a photo.
Repeat with us. Upload, download.
Amazing work. You've just learned daily life, home, and internet English words.
In part 3, we'll talk about emotions, shopping, city life, and a confident closing.
So stay connected with English Waves, practice daily, and keep listening.
Yes, welcome back. If you are still listening, that means you are really serious about improving your English, and that makes us very happy.
In this part, we will talk about feelings and emotions, then shopping and city life words, and finally, we will end with a warm goodbye. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English.
Let's start with a very common feeling, annoyed.
Annoyed means you are a little angry or something is bothering you. For example, I'm a little annoyed right now.
It's not very angry, just a small irritation. For example, I'm annoyed because the bus is late.
Take a moment to repeat. Annoyed.
Now let's move to a happy feeling. Excited.
Excited means you are very happy about something that will happen. For example, I'm really excited about the trip.
Children feel excited before birthdays, holidays, or vacations.
Repeat. Excited.
Now a feeling we all know very well. Frustrated.
Frustrated means you feel upset because something is not working. For example, I feel frustrated because the app isn't working.
You try again and again, but it doesn't work. That feeling is frustrated.
Try saying it slowly. Frustrated.
Now let's talk about words we use when shopping or moving around the city.
First phrase, check out.
Check out has two meanings. For example, check out this store. It means look at it, it's interesting.
Another meaning is paying at a store. I'm at the checkout counter.
Repeat, check out. Next phrase, run out of. Run out of means there is nothing left. For example, we ran out of milk.
You can run out of money, time, food, or even patience.
Repeat, run out of. And now the last phrase for today. Take a look. Take a look means look at something briefly. For example, take a look at this offer.
Shopkeepers use this phrase a lot. It sounds polite and friendly.
Repeat, take a look. Wow, we covered so many useful English words today.
Yes, these words will help you sound more fluent, more confident, and more natural.
Remember one thing. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Practice a little every day.
Try using these words in your daily conversations. Even one sentence a day is enough.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Waves, like this video, share it with other English learners, and please comment below. Tell us which word do you use the most.
Your comments inspire us to make better lessons for you.
Thank you so much for listening.
Until next time.
Keep practicing and keep smiling.